A common issue in campers is the unpleasant sewer smell that can permeate the vehicle. This odor is often caused by the absence of water in the P-trap, which normally blocks sewer gases from ascending the pipe into the vehicle via the sink when filled with water. Additionally, the accumulation of food particles and debris in the gray tank and drain can also contribute to the smell, typically resulting from poor maintenance and a lack of caution when disposing of items down the sink. To eliminate the odor, it is essential to keep the P-trap filled by running a small amount of water down the sink after use or after a long period of dormancy. Regular cleaning of the sink and drain is also crucial in preventing debris buildup and associated smells. Furthermore, after dumping the gray tank, it is recommended to fill it with water and dump it again to flush out any residual debris, helping to clear the odor. By following these simple steps, the sewer smell in a camper can be effectively addressed and resolved.